I'm Roger from the Highline Heritage Museum, and today I'm down here in the 200 block of 152nd, and I'm just looking at an old picture that I brought with me today. It shows a picture of Margy's apparel there at 207, and right now 207 is a chiropractic massage. And then there's the Burien office machines, and then also on the right hand side you can see Tall's camera supply was in the next building over. But these are several old pictures that I've been looking at, and this one is just another one of the series of the then and now. So many people will be able to recognize some of these old buildings, or the buildings are still here, but the businesses are gone.